Start with the road. The road is a lesson in rhythm. Look far ahead. Soft eyes, not sharp eyes. Let your hands rest on the bars, like you're holding something fragile. Not tight, just present. Now notice what the road does to the mind. It tries to plan. It tries to hurry. It asks for control. So give it a simple job. On each breath out, relax your jaw. On each breath in, lift your chest, just a little. The engine becomes a metronome. The lane becomes a line you don't fight, only follow. And when your thoughts run forward, you gently bring them back to what's real. Wind, sound, movement, now. Now, the dirt. Here, control becomes smaller. And that's why it's such a good teacher. On dirt, the bike will move beneath you. Let it. Your job is not to punish the handlebars. Your job is to stay soft. Breathe lower, into the belly. Keep your elbows loose. Look where you want to go, not where you fear to slip. Dirt teaches patience because it refuses perfection. It reminds you that stability is not stiffness. Stability is adaptation. And if a little dust rises, good. That dust is proof you're moving through the world, not just thinking about it. Now the destination looks the same, no matter which doorway you used. This is the point. The road and the dirt were never opponents. They were two ways to train the same mind. So when you arrive gently. Let the engine quiet down. Let your shoulders drop. Two ways, one goal, and the goal was never the place. It was the calm you brought with you.